may be asking yourself right now, why is he wearing a cape? And that is a very good question. If you didn't catch my last video, I had spelt landscape wrong in the thumbnail, and someone pointed that out. Only one person pointed it out. So from here on, I'm dubbing myself the landkeeper. And welcome to the landkeeper adventures. Now, you know people are going to take you serious when they see you wearing a cape out in the mountains. I got a lot of jealous looks. Well, I'm pretty sure they were jealous. I'm like 90% sure. You're good. Now that's how you shoot. 5 cameras going. Not exactly what I meant when I said we were gonna search for cracks in the ice. There's a crack. This kind of makes me uncomfortable. Hell to the yeah. Hi Alex.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi Mom.
Hi. It's pretty damn hard to beat views like this so close to home. Just waiting for a sun star. And some light to hit this juicy, juicy ice. Chef's kiss. And we got the sun. Alex, don't be weird.
No.
So here's the shot I got once that sun finally came up over the edge of the mountain there. And can't say I'm too thrilled with it. I mean, I don't mind it. Here's a quick time-lapse edit, but I don't feel like... I feel like I could have done better. I wasted too much time just kind of looking around, messing around with the boys. And I didn't really feel like I got into my groove composition hunting. And I could have done a lot better, but that's just how it goes sometimes. You don't get what you want, and that's okay. That's part of landscape photography, is getting out there and failing. There's a lot of failures in landscape photography. I've been out so many times and I've got skunked. But yeah, that's the edit. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Just looking at it now, I'm just like, meh. I could have done better. Meh. Now let me take you to a very moody and a very snowy Vermilion Lakes. Okay, this is super sketchy, and I'm on some thin ice. Hopefully I don't fall through. Super sketchy. I gotta lay on this ice to hit my shutter because I don't want to put too much weight on it so I don't crack it. So basically I'm putting my hand on this cold ice, laying and reaching over so that I can take a picture. I can't really show you the calm, but hopefully it's good. Here we are. This is sketchy, but it's what I gotta do to get the shot. Oh, it's not even level. It's not even level. And then I think I'm gonna shoot the mountains separately. Because I just can't, oh, the mountain's gone. The mountain's actually gone. Let me show you on my camera. So our mountain disappeared. And it's snowing. And it's foggy. And I was just doing some sketchy stuff. And it's all for nothing now. Because our mountain's gone. And I don't think I got a good enough picture of it before. I feel defeated. We got the dead fish. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. I stuck around long enough to get the light coming through the clouds there a little bit, which helped. The mountain reappeared. I reshot the mountain and then I blended the two shots together, the foreground and the background. I didn't show that in my little time lapse. I felt like it would just be boring. But yeah, this is the shot I got after all that sketchy stuff. Getting cold, getting icy, almost falling through the ice. This is the shot I come away with. Again, not thrilled. I like it. I don't think it's a portfolio shot. It'll probably just be posted to my socials and not printed. But yeah, tell me again. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you not like it? I feel like I went to 2 locations here and I failed at getting a portfolio shot. But again, that's just how it goes sometimes, and you just got to keep going out. The more you get out, the better conditions you get. I guess the more you go out, the better chances you have at getting good conditions. And you fail a lot, but you win a lot too, which makes it fun. If you went out and got great conditions every time, it'd be pretty boring. So the key thing to remember is there's going to be a lot of failure. No matter how many times you go out, you're either going to get something you like or you're going to fail bad. And I've failed bad a lot. And that's just part of it. It sucks. But if you don't fail, you don't grow. So you need to keep pushing yourself to get out there and get out of your comfort zone if you want to get better. You need to get out there to get better. You can't just sit around and hope that things improve. You got to get out there. What do I say now? All right, we're back. Next week, I'm going to talk about how I bear maced myself, how a friend of mine got food poisoning, and how another friend broke his camera. It was an eventful week out here in Canada, in the Rockies. There's never a dull moment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Do it. Do it now. Peer pressure. Do it. Do it. Now, do it.